Hey there, crypto explorers. Welcome back to AFG. Today, we've got something truly exciting for you, a journey into the decentralized cosmos with the TeleportDAO ecosystem reward program. I'm your guide, Shisa, and together, we're unlocking the rewards waiting in the TeleportDAO universe. In the dynamic world of blockchain, opportunities to earn rewards are everywhere, and the latest buzz is all about the TeleportDAO ecosystem reward program. So, buckle up as we dive into this decentralized realm and explore how you can earn a share of the whopping $10,110,000 TSD rewards. Ecosystem Reward Program Overview. First up, let's talk about the Ecosystem Reward Program. TeleportDAO, in collaboration with CoinList, is hosting this incredible opportunity. Participants have the chance to snag a piece of the impressive $10,110,000 TSD rewards. The top 500 contributors on each leaderboard, plus 50 randomly selected participants, are in for a treat. It's not just about engagement, it's about being handsomely rewarded for your participation. Imagine being part of the top contributors or one of the randomly selected winners, walking away with your slice of the reward pie. This is your chance to not only dive into the TeleportDAO ecosystem but also unlock substantial rewards along the way. Zeely campaign, more rewards await. But that's not all. TeleportDAO has cranked up the excitement with the Zeely campaign. This is where you can earn additional $TSD rewards by completing tasks within the TeleportDAO ecosystem. It's a call to action for all you blockchain enthusiasts out there. Dive into the tasks and unlock even more potential for rewards. Completing tasks and earning rewards? Count me in. The Zeely campaign is your opportunity to maximize your engagement and take full advantage of the fantastic rewards TeleportDAO has to offer. About TeleportDAO, bridging the gap. Now, before you embark on this rewarding journey, let's take a closer look at TeleportDAO. It's more than just a bridge, it's a trustless bridge connecting Bitcoin to EVM blockchains. Featuring innovative platforms like TeleOrdinal and TeleSwap, TeleportDAO opens up a world of possibilities. TeleOrdinal is a marketplace for Ordinal's NFTs, while TeleSwap facilitates Bitcoin bridging and swapping. In collaboration with Etacross Protocol, TeleportDAO empowers users to buy BRC20 tokens like $.com on popular blockchains, including Polygon, Arbitrum, Optimism, and Ethereum, all through the familiar MetaMask interface. But it doesn't end there. TeleportDAO introduces TeleBTC, a decentralized wrapped Bitcoin, and its native governance and transaction fee token, $TSD. The platform takes it a step further, allowing anyone to become a relayer through a simple script. This not only facilitates data transfer across blockchains but also rewards contributors for enhancing the protocol's efficiency and decentralization. How to join the TeleportDAO airdrop? Now, the burning question, how can you join this incredible adventure? It's time for a step-by-step guide to participate in the TeleportDAO ecosystem reward program. Step 1. Sign up for the TeleportDAO X CoinList reward program. This is your ticket to kickstart the journey. Step 2. Add the Zion BTC Snap to MetaMask for seamless Bitcoin management within the interface. Step 3. Engage and trade. Dive into the TeleSwap and TeleOrdinal platforms. Actively trade and refer friends to maximize your engagement. Step 4. Don't forget the Zeely campaign. Participate to unlock additional $TSD rewards. Step 5. Join the TeleportDAO Gulks campaign for a chance to share 500 USDT. Step 6. Boost your winning odds by referring friends to both campaigns. In conclusion, the TeleportDAO ecosystem reward program is your ticket to a decentralized adventure with substantial rewards waiting to be claimed. Whether you're a seasoned blockchain enthusiast or a newcomer, now is the time to dive into the TeleportDAO universe. Engage with its groundbreaking platforms, and secure your share of the $TSD rewards. Don't miss out on this golden opportunity. Register now and unlock the rewards that await you in the TeleportDAO ecosystem. Thank you for joining me on this exciting journey. If you're as hyped as I am, hit that like button, subscribe for more blockchain adventures, and I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.